Pardon my bra. Nakikita niyo siya. Anyway, hi baby girls! Welcome back to another vlog. So today I am filming. It's my filming day back. Okay. Excuse me. So naisipan ko lang mag-vlog kasi wala lang, gusto kong makipag-usap sa inyo. And actually yung vlog natin, yung medyo random haul ko, may grocery, may skincare, may makeup, ginawa ko yon kaninang 3 AM. So it's now, oh, sipon. It's now 9 AM. Hindi pa ako natutulog since yung nagising ako ng 1 AM kanina. So I thought na why not mag-film na lang tayo. Ayun. So, ayun, nag-film ako ng foundation review and lip and cheek tint review. It's looking really, really, really nice. Okay, so ngayon tatapusin ko yung makeup ko, magka-concealer, powder, contour siguro, highlighter, kilay, all of that. So, yun. Mag-film tayo. Ay, mag-get ready tayo. I'm actually gonna listen to music. So, mag-ano lang tayo ano tawag doon? Yung fast forward time lapse. Let's do this.
Something is bothering you. Still you look beautiful tonight. That's right. Ooh. Girl, your sisters are jealous of you, 'cause you're so wonderful inside. That's right. Ooh. Let me take you to my condo. I've got two on the east side. No, I'm not a prince, but baby, I keep a couple stacks and I'm making cash daily. I can tell you need saving, so be my Ella, 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 my Cinderella. I don't have a kingdom, just a couple bad condos. You should come and see them. Girl, make your sisters jealous. Be my Ella, 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 my Cinderella.
Hi baby girls! Welcome back. So, kakatapos ko lang mag-film. Nag-edit na rin ako nung Best of 2018 video ko. Nakaka-film ko lang kanina, bongga. Minsan lang ako ganito. 45 minutes long siya, baby girls. Nakakaloka. I don't know kung may manonood ba. Ang dami ko kasing minention kasi, like for example, foundation, dalawang light to medium coverage, dalawang medium to full, and tignan lang natin kung may manonood ba ng super habang video ko. Pero, ayun, nagluto na rin ako and kumain ako ng lunch. It's actually 3 PM already. And, nakaapag-update na ako ng foundation. Maganda pa rin siya in fairness, oh. Kahit na super oily ko kanina, nag-blot lang ako. Maganda na siya, hindi ako nag-retouch. Bongga. And, yung buhok natin, medyo kulot-kulot pa rin. Bongga yan, I like that. How do you like my eye makeup, baby girls? On my lips pala, gamit ko yung Vice, ano bang tawag dito? Phenomenal Velvet Liquid Lipstick in Kumela Vu. I'm trying to give it another shot, and actually, I'm liking it the second time around. Bongga. That's weird. Hindi ko siya nilagyan ng lip liner, so probably it's better without the lip liner. Anyway, pasensya na, medyo nawawalan ako ng energy kasi I'm so tired. Pero, I wanted to do like a haul nung mga nabili kong damit from Shopee and one dress na nabili ko from Gaisano Grand Mall. And siguro gagawin lang natin siya right here, parang vlog style. What do you think? Okay lang ba sa inyo? Let's do it, diba? Para may content din itong vlog na to. I really like my makeup today. Siguro kasi matagal na ako hindi nagme-makeup. So, yun, diba? Ito pala yung nire-review kong foundation ngayon, si L'Oreal Infallible 24 Hour fresh wear. Bongga siya, in fairness. I'm liking it. And ito rin, tinatry ko siyang review, Nichido Lip and Cheek Tint in Beach Glow. Kaya lang, ang dali niyang natanggal. And kailangan ko pa mag-film, so naglagay na lang ako ng ibang lipstick. So, yun. Siguro mamaya tatanggalin ko to and then maglalagay ulit ako ng lip tint so we can check yung performance niya. Kamusta naman? Gusto kong matulog pero hinihintay ko pang mag-export yung video ko. So, gawa na lang muna tayo ng haul, baby girls. Sensya na. Dito yung hinubad ko. So, I don't know kung naalala niyo pa itong dress na to. I got this as a gift from my manita which was by nung Christmas. And ayan, so obviously si ata yung bumili nito and pumili, and she got this from Shopee. And I thought it was really nice, so I asked her kung magkano lang yung bili niya. And sabi niya 200 pesos lang. So I was like, tell me kung anong pangalan ng seller na yan because I will buy more. So, ayun, sinabi niya naman sa akin yung pangalan ng seller. I will put it right here. Yung Shopee seller na nagtitinda nito. Nagtitinda din siya ng mga shirts na parang 100 lang yata, 150. Tapos, ganito yung material. Yun nga lang, hindi consistent yung material ng mga dresses niya. Like, this one is really nice. It's so soft. Tapos, malamig sa katawan. Very, as in, parang sarap niyang pangtulog. Tapos, yung print niya, ayan, elephant siya. Bongga. So, ayun na nga. Bumili ako ng iba pang mga print kasi I was so amazed na 200 pesos lang siya. Tapos, mind you, tignan niyo yung length niya. Perfect. Like above the knee. Perfect length for me. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung ibang mga style na binili ko. And you will see na hindi talaga consistent yung mga damit ng seller na yun. So, makikita nila, nilagay ko na dyan yung ibang dresses. Pack. Here's the first one. Nung nakita ko na meron siyang ganito na print, yung parang camouflage na print, like, ano talaga, bili ako niyan, gusto ko yan. Pero, super short siya, especially dito sa back. Pero, actually, it's fine. I can wear this. Yun nga lang, kailangan ko talagang maging careful. Tapos, medyo mas masikip siya compared to that other one. And yung material niya is mas makapal. Hindi siya ganun kalambot. Pero, okay pa rin naman yung material niya, in fairness. I'm still pretty happy about this one. Tapos, yung print niya, ayan. I'm just not that comfortable wearing something this short kasi hindi ako ganun ka-careful. Baka gumanyan ako. Tapos makita yung panty ko. Baka masuka yung nasa likod ko. So, ayun. With this, I have to wear shorts or siguro leggings. Pwede rin. Alright, next up is this one right here. So, blue lang siya and then it has like all of these glittery hearts all over it. Super cute niya. And then yung pinili kong design is itong Feeling Good na nakasulat dyan. This one, actually, medyo same sila ng material dun sa camouflage. Pero this one is a lot more stretchy and mas comfy to. So, ayan. It's also pretty short. As you can see. I guess I can just wear these as house dresses. Diba? Why not? Ganito yung itsura niya sa malapitan. It's really cute. I really like it. For some reason, naalala ko si Winnie the Pooh dito. Bakit kayo? By the way, first time mo siyang ma-receive, it smells like paint. As in, amoy pintura na super lakas ng amoy ng pintura talaga. And then, after mo siyang labhan, amoy pintura pa rin siya. So, you need to wash it twice para mawala yung amoy pintura niya. Nakakaloka. But it looks like that. I really like it. It's very comfy compared dun sa camouflage one. Yun nga lang, once again, it's a little bit short and hindi ako komportable na ganito ka-short. Nakakaloka. Alright, last one from Shopee. Actually, binili ko lang yung mga may stock that time nung mga kasya sa akin. So, ayan. Animal print siya. Kasi diba sabi nila, animal print is making a comeback. Ewan ko kung totoo, pero may nakasulat din siya na girl power right there. And at first, when you receive this, like super opaque yung paint na Girl Power. Pero after washing it, syempre, mawawala yung pagka-opaque niya. Anyway, that's fine. Tapos ito, yung material niya, yung pinaka hindi ko gusto. Hindi siya malambot. And it's a little rough. So, medyo makati siya in some parts. Kahit na nilabhan ko na siya twice. Anyway, it looks like that. Medyo short din siya, as you can see. So, yeah, nasuot ko na to one time and I wore it with some leggings. Nakakaloka kasi it's really short for me. Especially kapag naglalakad lang ako, it's gonna ride up. So, ayun, hindi ko siya susuotin as a dress outside. Last one, that blue one, is from Gaisano Grand Mall. So, let me try it on para mapakita ko sa inyo kasi ang ganda-ganda niyan. This one is definitely my favorite. Love na love ko siya. Ang ganda ng fit niya sa akin. Kung meron pang ibang kulay nito, definitely kukunin ko. Pero, ito na lang. Ito na lang isa yung natira. So, this is from the brand... Am I in focus? So, this is from the brand Derrick Hart. And XL siya. Sadly, ito na lang yung XL doon. And it looks like this. Oh, diba? It's so cute! Oh my gosh! Super okay yung fit niya sa akin. Like, this cut right here is very... Ano bang tawag doon? It complements my curves. As in, ang ganda niya. Super bongga. Bongga pang party. You know, mga ganon. Love it. I believe I got this for like only 359 pesos. Super mura. Pero ang ganda-ganda ng dress. So, this one, ayan, may pabutas-butas siya na material. And meron siyang lining na medyo silky sa loob. Bongga. Kaya sa likod, it looks like that. Ang cute-cute nito, as in. I love it. Ewan ko kung susuotin ko na siya or will I wait for an occasion para masuot ko to. Ang cute-cute. The length is perfect for me as well. And this cut is perfect for my body shape. It hugs my curves in the right places. So, ayun, yun lang naman yung mga napamili ko lately na mga damit. Actually, meron pang iba from Facebook, pero hinihintay ko pa yung isa kong order para I can merge them all in one haul. Pero konti lang naman, mga 1, 2, 3, 6 items lang yata, if I'm not mistaken. Anyway, yun na siguro yung vlog natin for today, baby girls, kasi I want to take a nap. I'm so tired. So yun, thank you so much for watching today's video. I love you all with all my chubby heart. And don't forget to like this video kung nag-enjoy ka, and subscribe ka na rin to help this plump caterpillar to become a butterfly. Alright, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Never forget that you are bongga. I love you. Vavayo. Mwah.